Hello, good morning, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how I created this beautiful makeup look, chit chat about IT, internet, technology, consultancy and more. Without further ado, let's get started with this video. Please give this video. Now I'm dressing my hair. It's making it look fabulous. It's a nice sky. So I'm going to take a little bit portion. So I'm just going to leave it on for 20 seconds. So if you like, you just do it like this. If you like, you can add some hairspray to it, just to give it some more, make the coist last a little bit more longer. It's a nice result. So I'm just going to brush out a little portion of my hair. So I just wanted to share with you how it looks really for how it looks. Thank you. Ciao. So I'm just going to, so I'm not going to do it like the professional hair salon hairdressers do, but you guys get the drift, right? So I like straightening my hair, because whenever I straighten my hair and add some coils to it, it makes me feel more feminine. So I feel more like ladies, so to speak. So it's very important to do this every day at home. So if you live in the Netherlands, probably you live in Amsterdam, Rotterdam, Breda, Utrecht, you can go to the Kruidvat around your area and get yourself this. For the blow dryer, you can get it from Me Gorgeous. So Me Gorgeous says hair items, so you can actually order it online. So yeah. So Oduvo in the United States also sells it. Hair items. So it's not a sponsored video, I'm just sharing, there's love in sharing, right? So under the column, Irish Delight. So if you're from Ireland, hi. If you're from Dublin, hi. So I was doing adding some listings. So I called some hotels and restaurants and I listed them on my website. So I tend to offer internet services. So if you guys are happy, so yeah. So how do you maintain your hair? I'm going to repeat. So there are several shampoos I do recommend for washing your hair. You can use Palmolive shampoo, and you can use Palmolive shampoo, or you can use Andrelon shampoo. So I think that's a good way to go about it. So you can just do this to your hair. So I love dressing my hair properly. So before I forge ahead to continue with this chit chat video, this video is all about makeup, beauty, and you get to see my lovely dress. So you must have seen my dress in this dress I'm wearing in my other videos, but I thought I'm going to share it again. So speaking of dresses, if you want to buy a nice dress in the Netherlands, you can buy it from Gary Weber. So Gary Weber is a shop that sells very beautiful dresses for ladies. So they have dresses, they have shoes and handbags, and of course they do have what does Gary Weber has? Trousers, shirts, and more. So I'm very happy with the result of my hair. Looks good. So yesterday I was busy doing some lacing on Black Mud. That's me. So under the column Scottish Delight, I did some lacing, like you can find the Castle Rock hostel also for my Dutch friends that love to go to the United Kingdom, and of course. So this video is dedicated for my Nigerian friends that love to visit UK, they love to visit London, also Scotland, Edinburgh. So I did this listing so you guys will be very conversant, updated, and of course keep up with the new trends in terms of where to go, what kind of hair items you can shop for, makeup and so on. So for example, under British Delight I listed Tesco supermarket, also mentioned Sainsbury's supermarket, Morrison's, Starbucks, and Apple, Ola, your web designer, and many other goods and services you can experience whenever you go through Britain. Of course, many persons from Nigeria, Ghana love to visit Britain. So if you're from Nigeria, Ghana, and you're watching, hi, I hope you find Black Noir, that's me, very handy, and I hope you enjoy. So if you have any more requests, you can always send me an email, chop me up, I'm all ears. So next I'm happy with how straightened my hair looks now. It doesn't look super straightened, but I'm happy with the way it looks because, yeah, I can spend the whole day doing this. It's fun. I love to run heat in my hair. So if you do want to learn about basic English language and Dutch lessons, you can always contact me, and also basic web design skills. I'll be very happy to help you out. This is how my hair looks like. Next I'm going to dangle it, make it, add some coils, alright. Hey, just working on my hair today. Not looking bad. So I used the hairband to hold it behind my hair, but I'm not so happy with the coils, so I'm going to do it again. It's probably too big chunk, so I'm just going to leave it for a while, like 15 seconds. Looks good, so I'm just going to grab some more. Mix this. Ooh, I can see it. I need to use the mirror. Struggling with her. So I'm wearing my favorite boohoo dress today. So I hope you guys like it. It's very convenient, very lovely, and well fit. I love it when you say, Cherie, je t'aime. I love it when you say, Cherie, je t'aime. That's the theme song of today. I hope you guys like it. So I'm going to take out my scalp now. Wearing my natural hair, I'm going to put on my weave. Yes. So this is the finished result of this makeup look. It took me about 15 minutes to create. Very simple and down to earth. So I've got my weave here. I'm going to blow dry it and put it in. It's very pretty and lovely. I'm wearing my natural hair, but you get to see me wear this pretty hair. So secondly is Apple. So Apple is in Europe. Apple is in Scotland. Apple also is in Dublin, right? So in Ireland. So Apple is a great brand. Everybody loves Apple. Persons in the Netherlands loves Apple. Apple phones, Apple laptop, Apple monitors, you know. So you can find Apple in Edinburgh, Apple in Dublin, you know. So that is definitely an Irish delight. So next I'm going to talk about Starbucks, right? So on blacknot.me and myfabulousbeauties.com, I added Starbucks on the top page. So virtually most Europe, everywhere in Europe, you can find Starbucks. So Starbucks is, you know, is a household name. Everybody knows Starbucks, virtually everybody, every adult. So Starbucks produces coffee and drinks, so you can buy Starbucks coffee in Paris, Antwerp Central Station, Amsterdam Central Station, and so many other places. So you can definitely find Starbucks in Dublin. So you whenever you visit in Dublin, you should have a Starbucks coffee, and you'll be happy you did. So now it's time to apply eye pencil. So I'm just going to comb it up like this. Just going to comb my brows. Then I'm going to apply pencil. I love the colour brown. Ooh, it's a bit overdrawn, but that's fine. I'm going to use going to align it better with the foundation. Inside out. I love the song, so I'm playing free lounge music for this video. Love, no other way. So guys, I started recently with Irish Delight on Blacknot. Yeah, Irish Delight. So there are several goods and services most British people like and most Irish people like, right? I'm going to start off with MAC Cosmetics. So most African models, Nigerian models living in Britain, in cities such as London, Newcastle, Manchester, they like MAC Cosmetics, and also ladies from Ireland.